Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. And today we are going to cook you something special, okay? And the reason it's special because the last video we do cold stir fry, we do hot stir fry, and today we're going to cook no stir fry. Okay? Yeah, that means you don't have to cook anything. Okay, just toss it in and it'll cook for you. So yeah, sometimes when I came back from work, I'm tired. It's not like I cannot cook. I'm just like tired and feel lazy, right? It tastes almost like stir frying, but you don't have to stir fry yourself. So we rely on this right here, air fryer. Okay. So if you don't have air fryer, you can also use oven. You know, this compact oven, or you can use the stove oven. Okay. So yes, air fryer. Let's go. When you come back home from work, you don't want to too much prep. So today we're just going to use something very simple. I got the frozen food pack, okay? So we're just going to use some frozen vegetables. You don't even need to chop, you don't even need to wash. Yes, so just like that. And then we'll put some with the carrots. Okay, forget. My luck with the carrots, okay. So you have the frozen vegetable. But I also want to show you what happens if you want to mix with your own vegetable. So here's some, let's for example, I have a fresh mushroom and fresh bok choy, right? And then so I want to show you how to prepare them even though they are not all frozen. So that's why I purposely add them. Are you ready? Let's go. So let's start working on the frozen vegetable. Since they are frozen, right, they need a longer time to cook. So that's why you want to start with them. And then to cook in the air fryer, two things you need. Either you need oil or you need water, okay? Because otherwise it becomes so burnt, too crisp, not pleasant to eat. So that's what I'll do is put in like a bigger bowl, okay? Just sprinkle some oil. Yeah, you can pour in and mix, right? I just sprinkle and then I don't want to use my hand. I'll grab this. So yeah, you kind of mix them a little bit, okay, with oil, and then once you toss them a little bit, keep sprinkling, so just a little bit, so they are kind of lightly coated with oil, okay. You can season here, but I prefer season after when you finish cooking, okay. So it's up to you, doesn't matter which one, okay. I use 400. I don't preheat normally, but it's actually good to preheat first before you put the vegetable in, so that's what I do. 3 minutes. We'll preheat it and we'll wait. Perfect. Air fryer is just finished preheating. So now we're going to cook it. Okay, so same thing, 400. Oh, too much. We'll set it to 7 minutes. Okay. So we just open, put it in. We'll make sure don't. Oh, you can hear sizzle already. I prefer put on the bracket. You don't have to, but yes, I'll prefer so the oil and stuff will drip down. If you prefer a little bit more steamy, you can add a little bit water into it. Actually, I would do that. Actually, yeah, the water will go down anyway, so it doesn't matter. Add the water so it's not too crisp or burnt, right? So shake, give it a little shake, and we can put it in, and we'll start cooking. While it's cooking, I'll start prepping for my vegetables. I actually stopped the time at 5 minutes, okay, because I want to give it a shake, but I look the vegetable is pretty decently cooked already. So I stopped at 5 minutes, and then now I'm going to just add the fresh vegetables, okay. So we're going to just add it in. And then same thing, we'll give a little oil, okay. Yeah, it's spread, so it feels like a lot, but and then so we just give a stir, okay. And just be careful, the leafy vegetable, you just want to keep at the bottom, kind of. You don't want to get too close to the top of the air fryer. That's where the heat is, okay, coming from. So, and now we can, the remaining, okay, so it's 400 again, okay, but the time for fresh vegetable, pretty much like 3-4 minutes should be good enough. See you after 3 minutes. Okay, so that's 8-minute mark. Okay, so we're gonna take a look at the vegetable. It's not burnt yet, which is good. It's always nice to open it once in a while to check and shake it so it doesn't burn. Also, you can check your food, okay? Sometimes the food cooks quicker and slower, depends on the machine. So yeah, you have to know your machine and know your food. So now we can take it out. Okay, before I put on the plate, I usually put on the bowl, okay? Because I still want to season them, right? So just a little bit of salt. Mushroom powder or MSG, white pepper, come out. And then sesame oil, sprinkle a couple. Get the product ready. Again, just mix a little bit, okay? So the oil and seasoning will mix well. Yeah, for the timing, okay, you can set like 10 minutes straight or like 8 minutes straight without pausing like what I did, okay? But I just like it, so I won't forget. I heard the beep, I come back and do the next step, okay? So you can also do that. So here you go. That's your, we'll make it a little bit nicer. Yeah, and that's your no stir fry vegetables. Well, now come to the best part of the video. Yeah, tasting your food. So cheers, okay? Oh, it's actually good. And it's easy too. You don't actually have to do anything. So that's the best part. Yes. Yeah, I just want to make some easy cooking videos to start. Yeah, so just get the hang of it, and don't worry. After this one, we'll start something more interesting. Okay? Yeah, not just like basic stuff like this. Yeah, sometimes it's good to start with some basic. You know, you don't want to overwhelm yourself at first, and then also like, yeah, it's nice to see little tricks. You know, although it appears simple, but sometimes little details makes a huge difference. Like timing, how you prep it, how you cook it. Throughout any videos, I will toss tips here and there, okay? So you definitely will help. Give it a try, okay? Of course, the air fryer, everybody uses different air fryer and they all have different timing. See, as well as how frozen is your food. I actually take out my bag because I have some prepping with the video, so actually it's more thaw. So that's why I thought I need to cook for 12 minutes and then end up doing only cook 8 because it's being thawed a little bit compared to the first time when I cook it for myself. It's like super frozen, so that's why it took 12 minutes. So yeah, just play around with your air fryer or oven and then you'll get the hang of it. So I hope you enjoyed the video and I hope you learned something from it. So good luck on your cooking, okay? I'll see you in the next video. Bye!